One UI 8 beta is finally here for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it's packed with smart new features you're going to love. In this video, I'll be talking about the top 5 features that you must try when this update arrives on your phone. And yes, I'll also tell you exactly when the One UI 8 beta and the official update is coming to your Galaxy S24 Ultra. Feature 1: Smarter Lock Screen Widgets. First, the lock screen just got smarter. You can now customize widgets with more flexibility. Weather, calendar, even health data. Just long press your lock screen and explore the new widget options. Feature 2: AI-powered photo editing. Next up, AI Photo Assist. One UI 8 beta brings smarter suggestions for photo edits like background blur, subject cutout, and sky enhancement, all in one tap. Feature 3: Improved battery insights. Worried about battery life? The new battery graph gives detailed usage data, app-by-app breakdowns, and smart tips to extend life. Go to Settings, Battery, Usage Details. Feature 4: Enhanced app drawer search. Searching apps is now faster. The updated app drawer shows smarter suggestions and filters results instantly based on your usage history. Just swipe up and start typing. Feature 5: New privacy dashboard. One UI 8 beta gives you a new privacy dashboard, showing what apps accessed your mic, camera, or location. It's super transparent and easy to control permissions. These are just the top 5 features, but there's more hidden inside One UI 8 beta. If you want a full walkthrough or how to install the beta on your S24 Ultra, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.